What's up, everybody? Moto POV. Today we have a special treat. My new custom Thor 1 race gloves came in today in the mail. This is from Bison Track, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of an unboxing video and what we have in store. So this is the box that comes in. General box, has the Bison logo on it. Go fast, be safe. As you guys can see, what came in the box, this is my Thor 1 race gloves. So pretty freaking awesome, pretty beautiful. It's got a go fast, be safe little piece of paper right here. And what also came in the box is this Bison logo and my Thor 1 gloves. These are the Thor 1 gloves. So a little bit about Bison Track. It's kind of a homegrown motorcycle custom leathers company. They sell suits, motorcycle gloves, undergarments, things like that, but they're pretty up and coming, I would say. They go to a lot of the Moto America races and really try to brand their stuff, and I have one of their suits coming in the mail, so gonna do another unboxing video as well for that. But these are my Thor 1 gloves. They come in this great little package, and the Thor 1 gloves, if I can tell you a little information about that, is they're Kevlar seams and Kevlar throughout. This is kangaroo leather, and it has super fabric fingertips, palm, and it's got pretty much added resistance right here. But as you guys can see, this is one of the side of my gloves, full custom colors, custom leather, super crazy. I opted for the non-connected pinky finger, but incredible leathers, as you can see. Smells great, smells like kangaroo leather, and that's my left-sided glove. And for the right side, I got this crazy wacky colors. If you're not familiar, this is from Demon Slayer. This is the colors from it, as you guys can see, if you're familiar with that anime or not. But this is the Bison Track gauntlet glove. They have plastic palm sliders here for when you're racing in case you go down. They're vented as well, all vented throughout. Let's see, the Stingray slider panels right here, and also right here, in case when you slide. Velcro straps as well, so let me kind of get into that. This is the, when you put it on. Oh yeah, a little strap right here. Oh, these are already pretty broken in. Also, when I got these custom suits, custom gloves made, all my measurements were taken out through my hand. I think it was like 15 or 16 different measurements from all my fingers to my thumb to the palm width and length, and it was a pretty crazy process. So here you can see, slide that on. Yeah, pretty tight, and it fits perfectly. It's already kind of a little like nice and broken in too. It's not too stiff. Let's try the other glove on. It's got accordion joints right here, so it's very easy to maneuver around. And honestly, I really wanted a comfortable glove. Gloves, I feel like you go through once a year, so I really wanted a comfortable glove when I was riding. I'm getting to that point where I want to have really good gear that I'm comfortable and safe in, and I felt like Bison Track definitely went a notch above for my expectations. Beautiful stitching, as you guys can see here. The slider panels, the wrist protection, inwards wrist protection here as well. All the fingers, very easy to move, accordion joints throughout. Just really amazing products, and I can't even exclaim how excited I am for the suit that's coming in as well. So Thor 1 race gloves, highly recommend. Bison Track, definitely under the radar, but very up and coming. I absolutely love these gloves. Can't wait to put these on in the videos for you guys. Bison Track, that's their logo. And you can fully customize these gloves any color you want. You actually get a personal Photoshop and glove fitment person assigned to you, and they can kind of make it and tailor it any colors you want, any kind of customizable options you want, and it's no extra charge. If you can believe that, like, these gloves cost the same online with as many customized colors and features as you want. They're all the same. So can't explain them enough, and they're just the high praise. And we'll see how these gloves turn out. This came in there too. Bison Track, Thor 1 Race Gauntlet, full kangaroo, Kevlar threads, Stingray slider elements, box finger, hand design, great feedback, go fast, be safe. Bison Track. And I'll do some close-ups for you guys right here.